Guys, what's good? It's Brittany and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing because it's not really a box, it's a bag. But this is a little bit different because typically I'm unboxing a more like luxury designer item, but today I actually am so excited about this because this is a Coach item. I did, of course, get this on sale. Like, I don't know what it is, but I have a problem with buying things for regular price. Okay, so as you can see, I have not opened this bad boy. I started to, but I said no. I used self-control and I wanted to wait for you guys. So let's open this together. I bought this obviously online. Okay, you know what? I have scissors. I'm just gonna use scissors to open this. So inside we have this bad boy. All right, so you can probably already tell what this is, but before I open the bag, if you're new to my channel, I make videos 2 times a week, every Monday and Thursday. So if you like unboxings and you like luxury items and you like contemporary brands like Coach, definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you like videos like this, also give me a thumbs up. All right, so back to the goods. So as you can see, it says Coach here. Okay, so I'm undoing this and it's got a strap and it's got the bag. So this is a Coach black leather, quilted leather, something. I don't know exactly what that is. But this is a belt bag. So let me undo the strap. Ew, it's got like that super new leather smell. That's the one thing about ordering it online is that, like, you know, nobody has used this and returned it. Like, this is brand new. As you guys can see, it's literally a belt and it's going to go through, that will go through these loops and your body. Now, the interesting thing about this bag is that it is convertible, meaning that you do actually have 2 little slots over here for a actual handle, which was important to me. That's actually why I got this. I only wanted to get a belt bag if it was convertible. That way, like, once the whole belt bag trend is over, I could just still wear this like a regular bag. And I probably intend to, for the most part, wear this just like a regular bag. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And it's got 2 little like card slots on this side, and it's got 1 little pouch on the opposite side. But I thought the belt option was cool, and I got this at a really good price. So on the topic of price, all right, so according to this tag, MSRP for this bag is $295. So I would never pay that much. Like, I'm too cheap, too economical to pay that much for this kind of bag. I got this bag for $65. All right, guys, so that's my review on this black leather Coach belt bag. I'm super pumped to actually wear this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next one. Remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.